In today's video, I'll show you how to block all mail clients in Google Workspace, helping you secure email usage across your organization. Log into your Google Workspace admin console with your business email. Once inside, head to the Google Apps menu at the top right and select the admin icon. This takes you to the central hub where you can manage all your organization settings. Next, go to Apps, then Google Workspace, and select Gmail. Here you'll find all the settings for managing email access within your organization. Now locate service status. This controls whether Gmail is active or inactive for users. To block all mail clients, toggle the status to off for everyone. This ensures no one in your organization can access Gmail via external mail clients. Finally, make sure to save your changes. Without saving, the settings won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully blocked all mail clients, giving you greater control and security over email communications in your organization.